that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's up guys, this is your girl Lynette, and today I'm taking you for a quick and powerful adventure from the heart of Mombasa, whereby we have a hidden gem called Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. Let's explore together. See you there! Me too. We're heading to We have just arrived at Nguuni Nature Sanctuary, and wow, this place is already giving off such calm and peaceful vibes. So after paying the entry fee, that's when they are going to allow you to enter the second entry, and from there to the destination it's a distance. Let's go and see.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
my goodness, guys, we're already here. Look over there. We have giraffes. Aren't they majestic? They are such gentle giants. You can go close to them, but always remember to give them their space, you know? Giraffes are actually the tallest land animals on earth, right? So I think some can grow up to 6 meters high. And that long neck, it helps them to reach on the leaves at the top of the trees. Fun fact about this sanctuary is so serene, and it's a home of giraffes, ostriches, oryx, and many other. We're gonna see them.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
And here is an ostrich chilling in its element. Did you know ostriches are the largest birds in the world? And trust me, they can run fast up to 70 kilometers per hour. I was a little nervous and scared to go close to it. On the other side, I'll show you its egg. Now this right here is a perfect picnic spot. You can bring your food, sit under the shade, and just soak in the beauty of this place. Okay, did you see that? Did you see that? That's oryx. This is a type of an antelope known for its straight horns and beautiful markings. Just look at it.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Look at how tall and graceful it is. Yeah, it's like nature's supermodel. Just look at it. Tall and gentle.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
At this point, I try to feed it, but no, it doesn't need my vibe. No, just look at how it's walking.
Keep it tight.
I love how they move, so calm, so elegant. You'd think being tall would make them awkward, but nope. They are effortlessly majestic. See? Wow, I like that.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
Okay guys, look who we just found here. Slow and steady legends right here. The tortoise. Aren't they adorable? And we all know that the tortoise are the reptiles. Unlike the turtles, they don't swim. So they have these heavy domed shells and also thick legs whereby they are hiding. I'm trying to touch their heads, but you see how they're trying to put their heads inside the shell. I was also told that they live over 100 years. Some also make it to 150 years old. So these little ones you're seeing here, they can be older than some of us, you know.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Alright fam, that's it for today's adventure. Let me know in the comment section, would you visit Nguuni Nature Sanctuary? And if you've been here before, share your experiences in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on more amazing travel content. Until next time, bye!